Hi guys, here we are at Petersfield Station Level Crossing in Hampshire with Harvey Dash Move 123 and Christopher Vlogs and Game in 2008. Why are they so slow? God, I've never seen that. Wow, that is slow. That is, yeah, it's never been that slow, has it?
No, it hasn't.
Yeah, so this is for from Portsmouth Harbour to London Waterloo. These LEDs still work. They're not really showing on my camera.
No, they're quite dim.
They're dim, aren't they? Mind if I stand over here? These barriers are very wobbly, aren't they? I've never seen these gates so slow as they hit the floor. Because this normally lowers at a much faster speed. They lower at, wait, are these workers here?
Yeah. They're workers.
Wait, that's strange. It's only been down for a minute and 15. It's already going to go back up again.
Because at this one...
Are you looking at the barriers?
Yes.
What's up with it?
Nothing.
You got a trippy alarm over there, by the way.
Bless you.
Yeah, bless you, mate. Are they trying to make it level or even?
I think they're checking the lights.
Yeah, we can ask them if they come over.
Yeah, they're checking the lights.
What's this class number? You might have to tell me.
450.
450, and what's the original number?
And it's the 8-car set.
Yeah, it's 8 class sets, that's good to know. So am I on your way? You sure? Oh, here comes the train to London Waterloo. I'll probably... Oh yeah, you can see it on this one. If you just look closely.
450 030.
450 030. Yeah. 450 111. 450 111 to London Waterloo. And up they go. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.